Applied Data Science with Python Training. Welcome to GoLogica. Today we discuss Applied Data Science with Python Training, a comprehensive program designed to equip learners with the skills required to analyze, visualize, and model data using Python. This training provides an in-depth understanding of data science concepts, machine learning techniques, and best practices for working with data efficiently. Here we can provide applied data science with a Python roadmap. About the course: prerequisites, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities. Training program. Now we discuss about the course. Data science is a rapidly growing field that helps businesses derive insights from large datasets using advanced statistical and machine learning techniques. Python is one of the most widely used programming languages for data science due to its simplicity, extensive libraries, and community support. The Applied Data Science with Python course is designed to provide a deep dive into data analysis, visualization, machine learning, and big data processing. Learners will gain hands-on experience with Python libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-Learn, and TensorFlow. Additionally, the course covers data preprocessing, feature engineering, predictive modeling, and deep learning. The course begins with an introduction to data science fundamentals, including data manipulation, statistical analysis, and exploratory data analysis, EDA. It then explores data visualization techniques, machine learning models, and deep learning concepts. Advanced topics such as natural language processing, NLP, big data analytics with Spark, and AI-driven data science solutions are also covered. Throughout the course, learners will work on real-world data sets and gain experience in data wrangling, handling missing data, feature selection, and data transformation techniques. The course also emphasizes model evaluation and hyperparameter tuning, ensuring participants understand how to build and optimize machine learning models effectively. Additionally, learners will explore the use of cloud computing for data science, leveraging platforms such as AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure to handle large-scale data processing. The course also introduces automated machine learning, AutoML, and AI-driven decision-making to help professionals stay ahead in the rapidly evolving data science landscape. In this course, participants will be able to analyze complex datasets, build predictive models, deploy machine learning solutions, and make data-driven decisions. This course is perfect for those seeking to enhance their skills and become certified data science professionals. Here we can discuss the prerequisites of this course. To complete the Applied Data Science with Python training, the following knowledge and skills are recommended. Basic programming knowledge in Python, understanding of mathematics and statistics, familiarity with data structures and algorithms, knowledge of SQL and databases is a plus. Experience with Excel or BI tools is beneficial but not mandatory. Eligibility criteria. This course is suitable for data analysts and scientists, professionals looking to analyze and interpret complex data, machine learning engineers, individuals developing ML models for predictive analytics, software engineers and developers, those integrating data-driven solutions into applications, business analysts, professionals leveraging data insights for strategic decision-making, IT professionals and researchers, individuals transitioning into data science roles. Do you know salaries, roles, and responsibilities in data science? Data science is one of the most lucrative careers in the tech industry, offering high salaries and diverse opportunities. Here are some key roles and their salary ranges. Data scientist. Analyze complex data, build predictive models, and derive insights. The average salary ranges from $100,000 to $150,000 per annum. Machine learning engineer. Design and deploy machine learning models for automation. In this field, machine learning engineers can earn a salary ranging from $110,000 to $160,000 per annum. Data analyst. Work with structured data to create dashboards and reports. The average salary is $70,000 to $120,000 per annum. AI engineer. Develop AI-based applications and deep learning models. The average salary is $120,000 to $170,000 per annum. Big data engineer. Process and manage large datasets using tools like Hadoop and Spark. The salary range is approximately $115,000 to $160,000 per annum. Business intelligence analyst. Translate data into actionable business insights. The average salary is $80,000 to $130,000 per annum. The above salaries vary based on experience, location, and industry demand. Finally, we discuss applied data science with the Python training program. The Applied Data Science with Python training is a specialized program designed for IT professionals, analysts, and developers looking to master data science concepts and techniques. This comprehensive course covers everything from data preprocessing to deep learning, ensuring that learners acquire industry-ready skills to excel in data-driven roles. With a structured approach, the course blends theoretical knowledge with hands-on experience, enabling participants to work confidently with real-world datasets and advanced analytical tools. The training provides an immersive learning experience through practical labs, real-world projects, and live instructor-led sessions, allowing participants to apply their knowledge effectively. The course is divided into various modules, starting with an introduction to data science, where learners gain insights into the data science pipeline, data collection, and pre-processing techniques. The data analysis and visualization module focuses on leveraging Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn to manipulate and visualize data efficiently. The Machine Learning Fundamentals module introduces supervised and unsupervised learning techniques using Scikit-Learn, covering essential algorithms such as linear regression, decision trees, clustering, and ensemble methods. For those interested in artificial intelligence, the Deep Learning and AI segment provides a deep dive into neural networks, TensorFlow, and Keras, enabling learners to develop and deploy deep learning models. Additionally, the Big Data Processing module equips learners with the skills to work on large datasets using Apache Spark, ensuring scalability and efficiency in data-driven applications. The course also covers natural language processing, NLP, teaching techniques for text analysis, sentiment classification, and chatbots. Furthermore, learners explore time series analysis, focusing on forecasting techniques using statistical and machine learning models for predictive analytics. To bridge the gap between theory and industry applications, the Data Science Case Studies module presents real-world business challenges, enabling learners to apply their skills in practical scenarios. The course also offers resume building and interview preparation, providing essential guidance to help learners secure data science roles in top organizations. With expert mentorship, practical sessions, real-world case studies, and industry-relevant projects, learners gain in-depth expertise and job-ready skills that make them competitive in the data science job market. The training includes certification preparation and 24/7 team support, ensuring a seamless learning experience. Whether you are looking to advance your data science career or enhance your expertise in Python-based data analysis, this course equips you with the essential skills to excel in the rapidly growing field of data science. By mastering data manipulation, visualization, machine learning, deep learning, and big data technologies, learners will be well prepared to tackle complex industry challenges. Join GoLogica today and take the first step toward becoming a data science expert.